Okay, we're gonna get outside the Anvil Chapel, which is over there. We're gonna party up there. And this is the old abandoned house or whatever. Yeah, just jump on that. And then jump on this house. Jump on that one. Then this one. And this one. This one's chimney. Just jump on the gate. You can go out of level if you want to. We're gonna go to the chapel. That's where chapel like. Yeah. Whoa. Darn. Yay. And now we're on it. Yeah. And if you have the gray mask on, you can get guards up here, because they'll like all of a sudden appear up here. It's kind of weird. And yeah, and I'll show you this little house over here. Gate up here. You can like float up here. And yeah, that's our video. Bye bye.